Hey everybody, just wanted to follow up on yesterday's problem with the hot air balloon. And we had a student in class who came up afterwards. We won't say their name, we'll just call them some random name like Wyatt. And Wyatt asked, in this problem of the hot air balloon, is it possible that after 100 feet that Francisco's hot air balloon was not to the west of the landmark? For example, it had gone so far that it had gone past, and so I've drawn another picture down here, that it had gone past the landmark and the 61-degree angle of depression was actually going west now. So I went back to the problem to reread it, and certainly it doesn't really say. It says after traveling 100 feet east, the angle of depression to the same landmark is determined to be 61 degrees, but it doesn't say that the landmark is still to the east of the balloon. And so I went through this scenario here that we did in class, and lo and behold, we got 580 feet. And then I went through it again, and this time, notice that the computations are similar but slightly different. And at the end, the difference here is in the denominator. Right down at the bottom here, the denominator is a plus instead of a minus. Now it also has the other angle, 61 degrees, in the numerator. So clearly it is a different situation. And in that case, when we finish the problem, we come up with approximately 78 feet. Now, of course, if you think about it, you say, wait a second, 78 feet. You know, a hot air balloon is probably 78 feet tall. So it would practically be on the ground at the time, you know, if you did that. Well, I understand that part of it, but that's not the point. The point is to observe the wording and see that it is indeed possible for that to have occurred. So I appreciate that observation from our student, and we hope that that is something that you can think about as well. All right.